All right, hello. Hey Gravel Gang, thank you for watching my videos here. If you enjoy the content, please hit the like and the subscribe button to help other viewers like you find this content. Let's get into the video. Well, we made it to Fort Smith campground, Missouri, somewhere in Missouri. Smithville, Missouri, actually. Yeah, that's where we are. That's where we're staying. This is a nice campground. It's very clean. We're here for the Humphrey's 100-miler gravel grinder. This is nice. We got some bikes over there. So I'm assuming those guys are going to be racing. We got a gravel tandem there. Yeah, it's a nice campground. Time. Oh, green light and blue light. That means good to go. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we should hopefully it's not too much rain, because I don't want to be riding in rain all day tomorrow. Yeah, that's the side of the rig there. We got full hookups. Well, not quite. We just have water and electric, which is all we need. Testing out the bike fit, checking out the campsite. Hey, how's it going? All right. Some kind of VW club. How are you liking this campground?
You know, it's good for the event we're doing, I think.
Yeah.
Kind of interesting. There's some
Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. It's about time to. It was raining all night last night, so breakfast time, and then we're gonna get on the road. So hopefully it's not too rainy all day. Breakfast is right there, so it should be fun. See you on the road. We got the ladies back that are gonna be pulling me all day today, so that's good. We just made it to the start, so time to go get some packets picked up. About go time, so everybody's ready to go. The Gravel Gang, Kim, Yvonne.
There will be scar tissue. So, I mean, the problem is right now is if you break something, your bike.
All right, hello. And there we go. Yeah, we kicked pretty good, but we're still riding. The gang's still back there. First stop of the day. Get some water.
Got lube, got a pump, got tools.
He's got everything.
Full service.
So we gotta go over this. Good to see. Keep trying to go over it. We're coming up to our next obstacle course of the day. Look at that. We gotta go up that somehow. I don't know. Got Yvonne back there, Kim, and then we got some folks up here that we're chasing down. That's the view there. Looks like Iowa. Coming for them. This is a ripping fast section. It's ridiculously fast, but there's a car behind me. Here with the 50-mile checkpoint, they had live music, they had free food, brats, funnel cakes. It was like a fair. It was pretty nice. They had ice cold water.
Free range pigs out here.
So we're coming up here to the last checkpoint. I had to mute the soundtrack back here because they were playing some music. They want to get copyrighted. You could see there we have 2 racers coming up. They had been leapfrogging us pretty much for the last 50 miles. So we decided that we would really make a brief stop here and kind of push for it, and everybody for himself. So we around 5 miles to go. I think the couple there, the lady was a road racer, so she really closed the gap. So we had to, put a dig in there. I tried to go with Yvonne, but ultimately she dropped me, and I just couldn't hang. But we were still able to finish shy of that couple that we've been racing back and forth.
I just can't bring her back.
This was a really well-organized event. The race director did a really good job. You could see here Kim on her first gravel century. Prior to that, she had only done 40 miles. We'll do this again. It rained the whole next day, so we couldn't have been luckier to run. We had beautiful weather on race day, so kudos to the weather there for cooperating.